This is very intense.
And birthdays made me sad.
How did you get here? He's still saying that. There's an invisible wall and I can't move. Let me untie him. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. What do you... It's over, you're going to jail. It's over, you're going to jail for doing this. No, it's not. No, it's not. Noob. 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 Oh, what the?
Ha! Idiot.
What?
Did it wrong.
Fully's dying. That's fine.
Yeah. I'm already getting out. Hold on.
Okay, let's go.
Give me
Let's
the
get
parachute.
out then.
Give me the parachute. Give me the parachute.
Is there 2 parachutes?
No, there's only one. Haha. You're gonna die.
Oh, no, there was not 2 parachutes.
I wish there was only 2. I wish there was only one.
Who cares about Ronald the captain? Oh, wait, we care about Captain. But we don't care about Ronald. I think there was only 2.
Did the airplane just magically extend?
I don't know. There's an invisible wall.
Oh.
Ah! We need to go around the fire. I don't know. This is not realistic at all. Let's go. Wait. Oh, it's this one. This is where is Ronald? I'm assuming he's coming too. You did it before me.
Goodbye.
Where are we landing?
I think I'm gonna fall off the map.
Where can we? Let's land on the chairs. I need to steal them. I need to steal them. I need to steal them. I need to steal
Why are
them.
these people down here dancing?
Wait, there is because yeah, there is people down here dancing. What if I land on their head? We win.
Stop.
I guess we win. You won before me. Hello. Why am I? Oh, you magically teleported here. Hi. Why am I still saying the back emergency door is open? We need to get there and jump. Stop dancing. Finish the game. Where is General Poncho? Oh, he magically teleported here. But why would we care about Ronald? I'm glad I didn't die from that fire. Because look how low that put me at. I almost died from the fire. Oh, she's dead. Wait, this is the evil ending?
Yeah. You should have been nice to Ronald. Then maybe you would have gotten the good ending.
Oh, hello, man. Okay, maybe we can try to do that again if you want.
Nah. Oh, I got the bad ending.
Yep, I did.
PowerPoint was open.
Well, I guess I'll do the good ending on my own.
Okay, make sure that you be nice to Ronald.
But, alright, the end. See you guys all next week.